বিজ্ঞান একাডেমি ময়নামতি ক্যালকুলাস 9.2 আরেকটি প্রবলেম নাম্বার 25 2x to the power n minus p to the power n differentiate with respect to x ddx 2x equal to the power n minus b to the power n. So ddx 2x equal to the power n minus ddx b to the power x. Now with the power n এখানে পাওয়ার n তাহলে আমরা দেখব সূত্র আমাদের n into to the power n minus 1. So ddx 2 to the power n x to the power n minus যেহেতু b is constant with respect to x, so ddx bx equal to 0. Now 2 to the power n into x to the power n. Therefore 2 to the power n is constant with respect to x, so 2 to the power n into x to the power n differentiation of n into x to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n into n x to the power n minus 1. More problem number 26, x to the power 10 plus x to the 7 over x to the power 8. So ddx x to the 10 plus x to the 7 by x to the power 8 equal to ddx separate. হরকে লবের সাথে সেপারেট করে দেব, x to the 10 by x to the power 8 plus x to the 7 by x to the power 8. So ddx x to the power 10 minus 8 plus x to the power 7 minus 8. So ddx x square plus ddx x to the power minus 1. So 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1 plus minus into x to the power minus 1 minus 1. 2 থেকে 1 গেল, তাহলে 2x minus plus minus minus x to the power minus 2. So 2x minus 1 by x square.